Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back to another video in our baking series. So guys, fun joke, I have 2 ripe plantain in the fridge, right? It have been on the counter for quite some time, but guys, as you can see, the plantain is black. Yes, it is dark. So what happened with this plantain now, it is very well overripe. So you know, normally with your banana, when your banana is getting overripe or it is well ripe, we just normally go ahead and make some banana bread. But today I decided that I'm going to give this plantain bread a try. I've never had it before, but I didn't want to throw away the plantain. So I decided that I'm going to try and whip up a plantain bread and see how it turned out. But I wanted to share it with you guys. So guys, without further ado, these are the ingredients that we're going to work with. So we have here 2 overripe plantain, ripe plantain. We have egg, nutmeg, baking powder, vanilla. We have some mixed spices, cinnamon powder, rose water, and we have 2 sticks of butter. But as we go along, like the sugar and the flour and so forth, we'll show you the proportion, as well as I'll list them in the description box, so you can go in the description box and check out the ingredients. Guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I have here the melted butter, and I'm going to go ahead and add 1/2 cup of sugar. So you know the plantain is overripe, so it is very sweet guys, so I don't want to add a lot of sugar to make it extra sweet, right? You can adjust the sugar based on your liking, right? So what I'm going to do next is to cream the butter with the sugar. Eggs and transfer into the mixture. You want to break your eggs into separate container, right, to avoid getting eggshells in to the mixture, or to also prevent spoiled eggs from getting into the mixture. Because when them say one bad apple spoiled it, right? So that's what we don't want. Safe to do it this way, guys. I'm going to add some flour. We're using all-purpose flour, and you're going to sieve. So I'm going to grate some nutmeg in. So the nutmeg will add flavor. The nutmeg will add flavor to the plantain bread or plantain cake. I'm going to also go in with some cinnamon powder, just a little bit, guys, not a lot, and some mixed spices. You can add either, you don't have to add all of them, but I prefer to add that. I'm also going to go ahead and add some baking powder. get everything fully blended. So we're going to put these away because we're finished with these. And then we're going to put the dry ingredients aside, and then we're going to get back to the liquid. So here we have the ripe plantain. What you can do is you can go ahead and crush it just as how you would crush ripe banana, right? So you can go ahead and crush it. Here the egg, butter, and the plantain. So next I'm going to add some more flavoring. So I'm going to add some vanilla, 2 cupfuls, some rose water. You don't want to add a lot of rose water, so I'm going to add half cupful and blend. Guys, it smells so lovely. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Guys, it tastes similar to banana bread, but guys, this is a plantain bread. I know I'm going to enjoy this. It is the first time I'm trying it, but I know I'm gonna like it, guys. So next we're going to add the mixture into the blender. So you add it little by little and blend. To blend in everything. Guys, you want to get everything from the corner because you can see some of the flour is not blended. Get the corners. Use a spatula or your wooden spoon, guys, whatever you have. Blend it in. So you get scrape down everything from the corner. And nice and lovely. Look at that, guys. smells so woo, smells so delicious. I can't wait for this done. Let me get one slice. First time I'm making this, and we can just imagine. I don't know it will taste good. If banana bread tastes so nice, imagine plantain bread. Comment down below, guys, if you have ever tried this recipe before. I'm going to just give it a quick blend to get the flour all blended, and then I'm going to grease the pan and pop it into the oven. So we're all done. Okay guys, so the oven is preheated and I'm going to grease the pan. Guys, this right here so hot. We'll be right back to see the final result, the final presentation of our plantain bread. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Comment down below and let me know if you enjoy this recipe or you have had plantain bread before. And subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so, guys. Subscribe, guys. Like up the video, share up the video, and subscribe. We'll be right back. So this is our plantain bread. We bake for about 45 minutes. We have a little burn right at the sides, but that's okay, guys. I was also baking a black fruit cake for one of my friends, so I had to increase the flame to 180, but I forgot to reduce the flame, reduce the temperature in the oven, so I got a little burn right there, but that's okay, right? It came out good, and guys, trust me, this tastes just like banana bread. Only difference is just that it is plantain. No difference. It tastes so good. It was so moist, and the flavors with the cinnamon powder, the mixed spices, nutmeg, vanilla, it was just delicious, guys. And as you can see, it is very soft and moist. It is just okay, apart from the burn with the increase in the temperature in the oven. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, give the video a thumbs up. Want to check out more of our videos, check these out.